My name is Abhimanyu and I am from class 5th.
And my name is Gayatri and I am from class 4A. Today we are here to show you about our new innovation, a garbage cleaning robot. We call it Sweepy Slurry.
Today we are very excited to explain you about the components of our robot and how it works. This is Arduino. It works like the brain of a robot and we have told this brain what to do by writing a program in C language. Because of this, our robot can move forward on its own.
Next component is motor driver. Motor driver is used to drive all the motors. Now we will tell you about the servo motor. Servo motor is used to move the broom and the pan. So the servo motor moves 180 degrees. That's why we have used two servo motors to move the pan and the broom.
Our next component is ultrasonic sensors. These sensors are used to detect the obstacles by transmitting ultrasonic waves and receiving them when they touch the obstacles and bounce back, and the receiver receives back. Now let us show you the working of our robot.